Okay, so this is going to look weird on my upload list, but because you'll have an abandoned Kmart in the same town as an open Kmart, so this Kmart is actually still open. It moved over there, but we're going into the abandoned one right now, and it is wide open. I am not breaking in. Like, look right there. This is wide open. We are going right in here. So, look how many birds are in here. So, here we are inside the abandoned K-Mart. Let's see if there are any of the old logos in here. As you can see, there are lots of bird droppings in here. Look at that graffiti. But, yeah. I'm guessing this was the garden center. If you're a fan of Wally B26 or anyone like that, you need to come out to... There we go. So, here's the garden center. And here's the prison yard out here. My bike's locked over there, but if you're a fan of Wally B26 or anyone like that, you need to come out here to Sidney, New York. It's right along I-88. So there's the garden center. So we're back inside the main store here. It's pretty well gutted, but it's interesting nonetheless to see a store like this that so many birds went into. Look over there. Look at the tiles. I'm guessing this was an auto center or something here. This store is just wide open if anyone wants to explore it. There's an upstairs, so maybe I'll get that later when I turn the flash on for a part 2. Just a closet here. If anyone knows the history of Sidney, New York with this Kmart and it moving, because this store is actually still open, like I said. This room's too dark. Wow. I'm gonna, before doing any more back rooms, I'm just gonna do more walking around here. I mean, I did not expect to get into an abandoned K-Mart. Like, I mean, I was coming here for the K-Mart that's open, but I'm getting an abandoned one as well. Like, look at, you can see the floor tile there. I think this is the K Cafe right here. It's been really well gutted. When I saw the scar, I was hoping to find some old K-Mart logos in here. Does not look like that will be happening. Well, I mean, it's not surprising how well gutted this is. because, I mean, since they moved right next door, and the store's still open, and I'm gonna check it out. And it's not closing, as far as I know. I haven't seen the actual store yet. I just saw this and wanted to film it. And as I've shown you, this store is wide open. So I recommend coming here if you like urban exploring. So that's gonna do it for the main floor space, and I'm gonna do a part 2 with the back room over there. Film upstairs.